Go ahead. I'm following you.
Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy, Mr. Trader Doc. You already know them.
So rolling not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop.
Never stop. Crypto. That's the motto. You know what I mean? On this lovely Friday night. What's the theme? Friday night finance for my man Trader Jones. What up, Jones?
What's happening? What's happening? What's the deal?
All right, so we talking about the market now. A lot of people scared about this market now. We telling them this is where buying a dip comes into handy, people. This is where you shouldn't be scared. So when you people talk about buying a dip, this is the dip. So many people see this now and they're just running out the market. They just like they're just terrified about crypto, and it's like, yo, now it's the time to get a bunch of things on sale. Like I always tell people, I'm sorry. I tell people all the time, it's the same as like going to the store. It's like you go into the store, you see a pair of Jordans or something on sale, you go purchase that. Now it's the time. It's the same concept. You see some stock, crypto. In this case, crypto coin. You see crypto on sale. Now you need to purchase it, but a lot of people are scared. A lot of people are selling off, and this is not the right time to sell off. You know what I'm saying, Jones?
Yeah, only if you're in the profits. If you're in the big profits, then you sell off. You know what I mean, and then you re-enter once you find a certain level in the market. Then you re-enter for a nice gain again. But you are right. If you are looking for that and trying to hold, do not sell. Just hold on to your bread.
Yeah, don't sell. So many people are selling and just see that's the difference where they say diamond hands, diamond hands and weak hands and strong hands. This right here, this is what a diamond hand is, what a strong hand is. Because at the end of the day, you gotta weather them storms, those ups and downs of the market,
Peaks
because
and valleys, bro. Peaks and valleys.
yeah, yeah, those peaks, those peaks and valleys, yeah, high ebbs and flows, yeah. So it's like, but well, me and Jones are speaking. Well, everyone who knows how the market around holidays, the market is gonna be a valley for the simple fact a lot of people pull out their money. They pull out their because it's the holidays. They want to get gifts. They want to do this. They want to take profits at the end of the year. So it's only natural for all the markets to be down. Crypto, stocks,
Well, the
every,
money makers. Remember,
yeah.
this is the money makers. Remember, we're trying to trade. I'm sorry to cut you off, bro. We're
No,
trying to
no.
trade. We're trying to trade with the market makers, the people who are actually moving this market. You got to understand, it doesn't matter. It can be 1,000 of us with everything that we have. We still do not have enough capital to move a candlestick on the chart. I
No
don't care what
fact.
time. We don't. Our bread isn't that long. So if you're dealing with something such as a forex or crypto, when the market cap is in the trillions of dollars, do you think that our shit, even $10 million, is going to move the candlestick? No, no, that's not doing anything, right? So the money makers are moving their money out of the market, and that's when you see those shifts and adjustments.
Yeah, and yeah, exactly, and that's what's causing. It's the things they call whales, the big boys, the whales is coming out the market, and but don't worry, people. They're coming back in at the beginning of the next year. So this is again, this is now the time to get things on sale. Like I don't understand. I would treat it like everything else. You go to the supermarket, you see a pack of steaks on sale, you hop on that. It's the stock market or the cryptos, things on sale, people get very nervous. I mean, I could somewhat see the concept because you're dealing with your money, but I don't know. I feel like, man, listen, it's better to get more and more.
No, that's a fact. What's unfortunate is anytime you're trying to invest with anything, for one, you can't be afraid to lose money because that's just the psychological aspect of trading. And for
Facts,
two, you can't be
facts,
afraid to risk a couple dollars.
facts, facts, and that's the first rule of trading. They say actually you don't invest or trade money that you can't afford to lose. So the
Right,
money
right,
that,
right.
that you give up, or potentially that you can give up, is money that you can really throw away. So, but I say you shouldn't look at it like that. But I say that it's the mindset of the person though. Because if you see you're trading as soon as your investment go down, it's time to pull it out. You shouldn't be trading in the first place, because you need the right type of mindset to trade. And I say this as someone's been trading for like 15 years, and Jones tell me all the time that I be trading inside out, and that's why I be getting messed up.
No, I mean, that's this, and that's the number one thing. That's what we're going to really focus on next year with Trade to Live, right? Is the psychological aspect of trading, because it's easy to chart. So it's easy to plot the charts, right? We can look at and read all type of data sheets and financial spreadsheets we want to. Correct. We can look at how the government is reacting, how the currency is moving, anything, right? We can do all that all day long. But when it's time to place the trade, when you're in the thick of this trade, are you going to pull the trigger? And are you going to apply your resources properly so you can get the most return for your money or for
Yeah,
your investment? And
yeah,
I'm
and
not a
just
financial advisor or nothing. We're not a financial advisor. We're just expressing things that we have seen in the market in our minute experience.
yeah, and it's like, yeah. So you guys just be patient, because there's so many people want to pull out. All right, so Jones gonna do it. We're gonna look at the Bitcoin, because you know how like Bitcoin is the biggest crypto coin, that is the most famous crypto coin. So therefore, as Bitcoin goes, the market goes. So we're gonna do a little bit of technical analysis on Bitcoin and see when Jones get his screen ready. You're gonna do the screen share, and we're gonna see when the check out some lines of support and resistance, see where Bitcoin stabilized. Because again, as Bitcoin goes, the alt goes. So when we find support with Bitcoin, the market should stabilize. As they say, what is it, around 52,000? I think
I'm about to
50.
check right now.
All right, yeah. So
Yeah,
again,
52,936 on Coinbase.
52,930. So that's about all right. So let's just say 53K. So let's say 50. So if we get stabilization around 53K, the market, it should somewhat get stable. But as I say, around this time, people take out their cash, like he was saying, all the bigger investors. So I mean, stabilization we may happen, but I'm looking around like 49. All right, it's up. Oh, hold on. I'll wait till you come up. All right, it is up now.
All right, so this is Bitcoin clearly on the Coinbase platform, charting through TradingView. We can see the price down here is roughly around 52,850. Um, since Bitcoin, we're going to do a quick technical analysis or breakdown of Bitcoin. Since it's been running for almost a decade now, we can treat it just like a normal currency stock or whatever, which means on a higher time frame, and then we can work our way down, right? So I'm gonna give you two type of analysis. We're gonna start from the week, and I'll break down two different ones from. So for right now, off top, we see that obviously clearly it's in an uptrend. It's going to be an uptrend from here on out. But where on the uptrend is it at? It looks like it's coming to this level here on this monthly. So I will wait until I see price reacts around this level at 51816.70. If you want to buy and hold for minimum of a year or two. Okay. Just off the weekly time frame, that's what I see. Wait to see how price reacts around that level, which means a break and retest, a break into continuation, or a break in consolidation. But here, this is my 50 moving average. That means this price has to drop at least that's with anything $6,000 to $7,000. That means you have to get a four in front of it. It may get a 4 in front of it because it's already at 52, but we're going to see. But I'm anticipating the price to come around this area here. I would say no, we're just going to flirt around the $50,000 range. We'll see. And that's what I'm going to wait to see how price is for the long term, just off of my weekly time frame, um, because of the structure that it's building, right? So now, if I'm looking to get in and get out of the market, maybe hold it for a day, maybe even a month or so, we're going to start here on my daily time frame.
All right, but hold on. I got a question. So say if I'm holding Bitcoin right now and it's falling back, tell me a good level where I would be good with my money at. Like, because it's in the downtrend now. So tell me where you think the downtrend is going to stabilize at.
Well, well, it's in well, so it's in an overall uptrend, right? So that's where
Yes.
I'm only looking for buys right now. But
Okay.
if you want to go for a sell in an uptrend, which is trading against the trend, which I do not suggest anyone do.
No, no, not on sale, but like so they're holding their money. So where do you think this current retracing? I mean, because we know it's in the uptrend, but it's retracing right now. Where do you think
Oh,
this
got
this
you.
retracement is going to end?
So I'm gonna give you a zone. I'm gonna give you two. I'm gonna give you three points to plot on this area, right? One, I'm gonna give you a straight line, which you can look for my crosshairs, and you're gonna see how price is reacting here, right? And if you follow the line to the left, you're gonna see how price has reacted here as well. Right? I'm trying not to move it up and down too much, but you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So from right there alone, it's telling me this is a strong daily level.
So
The
that's like
higher the
53. All right, so 53,000.
53,000, let's say 53 100, that 100 is give or take 53 beans, right? So what I'm looking at is this. This is the higher the time frame, the stronger the resistance, the stronger the level, right? So since I see that reaction, like I said, I'm going to sit back and wait for. I'm going to sit back and wait for the price to. I'm sorry, bro. I'm trying to have more than one thing at once. I'm going to wait to see how the price reacts at this level, right? So what
Okay.
do I mean when I say a break or retest? What do I mean when I say continuation? So now that it's at. Well, no, let me stop. Let me slow down. Let me slow down. So that's my first plot, 5,300. My second point that I would plot, I'm going to give you a zone. You can always plot it in a rectangle just so you can have an overall average or overall range of where the price may go or a good entry point, right? And this will be where I'll plot my range. And then I'm going to tell you why. So the third plot is basically the third point, or the 3 points, two of them are the same. The top of my rectangle The top of my rectangle is still where the 5,200, right? 53,000, excuse me. 50 around that area, right? The bottom of my rectangle is the expansion of the zone. Now, if you look at here, you have your top wick here. Can you see that? Let me zoom in some, excuse me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have your top wick here. With this top wick here, this is still a place of resistance, right? I can move this out the way so you can see. If I'm making saying anything crazy, I'm sorry. But this was your first plot here, around the 50. Was it 5,200, right, or 53? Was it 53?
Yeah, 53, 50,
Okay, cool. So
53,000.
there's your first line there. That's your first plot. Let's draw a line. I don't know how to draw lines in this view. Excuse me. So our first line is at 53. All right, as close as you can get. And obviously, if you go back, you're gonna know it's gonna hit them. It's gonna retrace, or there's a lot of levels in the back where the price has reacted. So that's one. Secondly, I'm going to draw a rectangle, and it's just going to expand the range of this line, basically, right? So I'm going to look to my left to see where price has hit his head or hit his head as a resistance area. So about right here, you see where this line is at here? And if you go to the left, or excuse me, go to your right, you're going to see where price has reacted at the bottom as a support or resistance, right? See that there? See how price is resistance around this area here?
Yeah.
So those are three areas in the market I'm expecting or I'm thinking. Well, it's already here. So Bitcoin is going to go. It may drop to this area here. And if it breaks and retests this area here, then I'm going to see it going to continue to drop. And it's going to easily get into the 40,000s, right? 4,700, 4,800, 48,000, 47,000, right? You see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, when I say break and retest, price is going to come down here and drop. So it's going to break my line, right? Break my area, retest that area, and then continue on down. Or my area can act as support, as it's doing right now, and the price can continue up in its uptrend. So once the price reacts here, my next plot. This is my daily time frame. Drop down to the 4 hour chart real quick, and I'm going to see exactly where price is, if this price has been reacting around this area. So as of right now, I see a mini W forming. Right? Do you see that? You have your one leg here. You have your tip. This is your second leg here with divergence. Right? So you have a W with divergence at the level that you deemed as a strong level. And what I mean by divergence, I have the opposite direction from price. I'm going to change that to orange. Can you see that orange
Yeah.
from price? And so that's divergence there. So those two, so 53,000 looks like a strong support area. I'm gonna wait till I get into the buy roughly around once it breaks past the previous high. Right, once it basically breaks past this level here, which is 54,000, then I'll be looking for buys. It'll be a resistance area once you get to here, which is roughly 58,000. But if you're just in it for the money, that's a quick 7,000 increase on your dollar, right? If you give it 51, it goes to 57. I mean, that's still decent.
Yeah.
So it's real simple. I hope I didn't bore everybody or anybody.
No. 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 So see, that's what we need to see. The pretty much where Bitcoin stops at. Where Bitcoin goes, the market goes.
There's
Because
a
a
lot
lot
of
of
wind.
people wondering is the pullback. This is a bear market. I mean, it's not really a bear market. And just a pullback. I mean, I guess on
It's
a
the
chart.
holidays. It's the holidays, bro.
Facts.
Think about this. Everybody is about to go on vacation. Nobody feel like doing anything. They've been working hard, 16-hour days for months, man.
Yeah.
Right? So they finna. But once Christmas is over, crypto finna bang.
No, that's what I was saying. Yep. After the holidays over, once there's new money, because again, like so many of these newer games, they're still in a production phase. They got to get heavy development yet. So many of these you know what I mean. So it's still newer. So the money's still coming in, and again, man, this shit is dipping. This price is getting cheap. Man, it's getting cheap. And again, people need to try out the new game, Upland. Upland is a cool little game. Buy some property in Upland. I'm all over Chicago. Melvina Avenue. I own Melvina from like 52 up to 60th.
Isn't man? I got Remember I told you last time we was doing that. I was at mining the UPX.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm up to like 6 right now, doubled up. So
Yeah,
if it makes some money, if it actually grows, we'll be doing all right.
Yeah, up yo, because I saw the property. Matter of fact, when you
You
check
can
the
do that on
property,
your phone too, bro. You can stake it on.
yeah,
You can do that on your phone, bro.
yeah, that's how I play the joint on the phone. I need to figure out how to get Spark, because Spark is how you build stuff. I don't know how to build stuff, but yeah, man. So once we get this market back up and running, that's when I expect this bull run to be fully resumed and it's back in action. Like right after the New Year's Eve, I mean Christmas, right after that.
Right.
The bull run's gonna pick back up. Bitcoin gonna stable because again, even though we're like as Jones was just explaining, Bitcoin is going down, but we're actually in an uptrend. We're just having a retracement from the high actually. So we're actually in the uptrend.
Oh, that's a fact.
What you say, Sarah? What you think? What the be all the money's gonna be good for next year? Gonna be pumped in the market? Yeah, I agree.
I can see it.
Yeah, I think because like I say, man, that's when all the mark, and then we got all this expectation for all these projects for the new year. Then again, I keep using the example to everyone I meet. The Los Angeles Lakers playing the Crypto.com arena.
Yo, my people keep talking. Was that? I don't know if that was you. No, that wasn't you. But VVS Finance or something like that.
Yeah,
I guess you have to download the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, and you'll be able to stake it. And I think staking is up 1,000% or something right now.
ooh,
Bananas.
jeez.
Yeah, so you might want to look into that. Like I said, I don't. This is what I've been put on. I will take a look at to that. 1,000% is a great return, especially if it's dealing with crypto.com.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, I'll do it real quick. I thought I bought some. I just don't remember where I bought it at. It's unfortunate.
Hmm. Yeah, man, because the crypto boom is going to be where it's at. That's when the market's going to rejuvenate itself. We got the new year, like I say, the expectations of the market. People are going to be excited. We got this new money, all these games. So
It's up
this
12%.
huh?
It's on crypto.com. It's up 12%. And it's on the it looked like it's on the crypto exchange too.
Okay,
VVS/WCRO. So that,
okay.
that might be that DeFi wallet.
Yeah, and they saying that Crow coin it could follow being Bitcoin. I don't know if it's going to get all the way up to like $600, but
Oh, if it do, oh
yeah, I
my
know, right? Heart attack. But they say Crow coin could get up to
God.
BNB status.
Dog, I got nothing. Yeah, yeah.
So it's like,
Dog, listen, I'm waiting, dog. Man, if it get up, because Bitcoin was 500, 600. It was at six. It's been steadily at 600 beans for the past few days, maybe a week, and then it dropped
yeah,
to 500, 400.
yeah. I remember when BNB was like $25. I remember when it went to 14 to 25, and I thought I did something. I
Man,
got out. I thought I did.
listen, man. Every coin, I don't know if we have records, but mostly every coin we spoke about last year has
Yo,
gone.
the triple got stupid on this.
Mark, y'all need to record this one because we finna holler at y'all next year, guys. Will you dig? And this from you gonna see, like, oh yeah, them boys know what they talking about.
Yeah, G7. Yo, because man, listen, man, this market. Then we got the Aileron. But yeah, we just do a little Friday night finances. This is something new. This is a test run. Just want to see how it's hitting on Friday night finances. You know what I mean? We're gonna try something every night. Give you guys an update in the market,
Well,
how the
something we got to
market ended.
change.
Yeah, how the market ended. You know what I mean? Might do a Sunday night special.
No, that's a fact.
But this is more just to tell people Don't sell your positions in crypto. That's why you need diamond hands because this is how you get flushed out. Then the market shoot up, and you're like, oh man, because at the end of the day, everything is really in an uptrend. It's just retracing back before the market continues to go up again. So that's all we got to do. We just got to deal with this retracing. I actually done bought more. So now I'm trying to just stabilize the portfolio, get a nice number for each amount of my securities,
What the hell
allow
is
it to
this?
go up, allow it to get stable and go back up. You know?
Yo, have you ever heard of top 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 and FTM?
Mm-mm.
That shit up crazy. Oh, Phantom. Okay, never mind. And a lot of these gaming coins that's coming out is going up crazy, man. This joint went up 500% almost.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's going crazy.
FOMO is a motherfucker right now in this market. FOMO is a mug,
Yeah, man.
and that's what it is with this crypto, man. You gotta just withstand the FOMO. You know what I mean? It's because
Crypto is here. You just gotta, everybody get enticed because some people make, a couple of dollars here and there, shit out the blue because they done invested in it or whatever. But just hold, just buy and hold. You get more return the longer you hold, and that's just been a statistical fact, a mathematical fact, and an investment fact. That was just from the beginning of time.
hold on for dear life. That's what it stands for. HODL. Hold on, dear life.
Oh,
You know
that's
what I
what
mean?
that means.
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't know that.
yeah. So
I learned something
I
new every
do
day.
it. Yeah. So that note, man, don't sell. And if you're gonna sell, sell to me. You know what I mean? But nah, but like don't sell your crypto, especially not the metaverse tokens, especially not the new blockchain tokens. These are now
I want to see how far this go, man. I'm really intrigued by how far this is gonna go. I don't know. I don't know.
we're at the beginning stages of the new. We had this is the roaring 20s. You know, because you know the 1920s was the roaring 20s. This is the 2020s.
No, I feel you, but how everything is saturated and too expensive. It's like most common folk like, dog, why the hell am I buying land at you know what I'm saying? But
And but this thing, we're at the beginning. We're at the beginning. We're not even at
that's
the
what
like.
I'm.
You know
That's,
what I
I
mean?
mean, I'm here. I'm in it.
Yeah.
I'm just,
No, just yeah.
my thought process in the bread is at this particular point with that is two different things right now. I'm just kind of letting it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah, my friend. So yeah, man. So yeah, hold on for dear life. Stay in the market. As a matter of fact, look for cheaper coins because I'm actually glad because Wax Coin, WAXP, it was up at like 89 cents a coin. It actually fell to like 60 cent to like 57 cent a coin. I was able to grab a couple more of them. Sandbox, I was able to get Sandbox. Sandbox fell down. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get some more Sandbox tonight as we speak. This retracing back. You know?
man, yeah, you got you, man. You know what I heard, bro? Which I might be all over the place, but I heard it's only like 4 to 5% of people who are actually trading cryptocurrency, bro.
Yeah, yeah,
Was that? I don't know if we was conversing about that or
yeah,
not, but I just remember that shit was.
yeah.
Oh, just imagine when that. Oh my god! But I don't know. But see, that's the thing, though. See, I think the government will step in because it's already damn near at forex market when it comes to market cap.
Yeah,
It's already in the
but you
trees.
know what it is though? I think a lot more people are buying and holding, not just trading, because like so many more people know about it than last year. You know what I mean?
No, I can dig it. I can dig it, but I'm just thinking about when is it going to stop? If the market cap is already in the trillions of dollars,
But there's so many.
Are we going to go? I mean, we going to? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's gonna have to get bigger for the simple fact that no, but
Oh,
here's what's gonna happen.
that's insane,
It's
man.
gonna is going to redefine how we view money, because by that time, paper currency is going to be out the door. So the market cap is going to be a different concept. You know,
So you're telling me
that's
my
what I'm
emotion.
thinking.
So you're telling me my emotions are still tied to the bread, even though I'm not. I know that the bread don't mean shit. Is that what you're telling me? I don't have to really detach myself from the actual dollar bill or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because
Is
the
that what
dollar
you're
bill
saying?
will be the digital. Because don't forget, yo, all these coins and all. Once they create the digital dollar, like the American dollar, the digital dollar, this is gonna really make the market. Because again,
So
what we
they're gonna make up a new thing besides trillion. It's gonna be what quadruple trillion. Like I mean, what the fuck is that?
quadrillions. But
Quadrillion.
they
What
can
is that?
do.
What we gonna get out of that? What can you
Hey,
do?
hey, you see how that? You see
What the
when
fuck
the
you gonna buy?
stimulus came,
Another pen?
they printed money out the blue. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, by Mars, they're gonna start buying land on Mars. You know what I
Man,
mean? That's what's gonna happen. They're gonna start buying land on Mars. Yo, listen.
these man, these niggas is nuts. Dog.
But yeah, bro, you gotta like invest. You know what I mean? Put the money on everything. Stay in this market. Don't get out the market, and just get your hustle on. Hold
Mhm.
on them coins, and yeah, don't get out. Like, don't sell, because when you sell, you just you playing in the FOMO. You playing in fear. But again, fear, that's what moves the market. Because you got to think,
What is Omnicore? Is that the what is that? The COVID variant name or something?
yeah, the Omicron, that's the variant of COVID.
Oh, I ain't even know. Man, listen.
Yeah, I mean, and then that too, that's playing with the market, and then like China got the crypto crackdown. Like all this seems like this is like man
China,
made weaken of
China
the market.
ain't doing nothing, man. China's a dictator. No, I don't want to. China isn't doing none of that, bro. They're invested. It's like everybody else. They're saying one thing, been doing some things, but they're strongly and highly invested in cryptocurrency. Don't get it twisted.
Oh yeah, I know that.
Well, not you. I'm just
Hold on,
the
hold on,
world.
Samuel. What you say, Samuel? The According to me, yeah, the Omicron, yeah, that's what some of it. Yeah, that is the variation of the coronavirus, the Omicron. It's the fears of the market, but you know how the market moves. It drops on the fears. You know, any type of fear or rumor,
Mhm.
fear, rumors, anything like that makes the market move. And crypto is a very volatile market. So stocks move, bonds move. So crypto is so much more volatile. It's going to move the furthest and the most extreme. So and like again, China's doing a crypto crackdown, and that's what's making the price of Bitcoin drop because of that. So there's like again, those are like the twin factors. It wasn't not really organic. It was outside factors, outside man-made factors that made the price of crypto fall. Things
Mhm.
like that.
True.
Well, all right. So Sam, I'm not really a financial advisor. Okay. So your advice is in the situation. Uh, Me personally, I buy. I mean, I'm hold. I'm gonna hold until the cows come home. You know, but I would advise you to
I ain't selling nothing.
yeah, man. We're not selling. We're gonna
I'm buying more. I mean, I'm not going crazy with buying more. I'm still averaging in my position responsibly, but you're still getting more bang for your buck. Because I mean, most of these coins is not even 10 cent or not even $1. So it's really like really just letting it sit and getting 10% is more than what you'll get anywhere else on well institutionally.
yeah. And that's how it is. Like he was just saying, like most of them are so cheap. And even if you're in a big position like Bitcoin, like he was saying, if you got a big position, the price is dropping, average back down in that. That's what you could do. But me personally, I'm not into Bitcoin, but I use Bitcoin as a market to follow the market. So it's important to know how Bitcoin goes because as we know how Bitcoin goes, that's how crypto goes. You
Like the
know,
DXY.
yeah, yeah. So on that note, man, just hold on for dear life. Keep the market Keep following. You got me. Hold up. We're supposed to wait maybe for a few more. Yeah, like we were just saying, after the holidays, that's when the market gonna pick back up. Because the new year, new money, new excitement, new plans from the government to make crypto go mainstream. Because again, this is not going to fail. There's no way possible. There's too much stuff tied up in this web development, the metaverse. There's too much stuff tied into this. So the government is not going to allow this to fail. And besides that, there's too much money being pumped into this. There's so much money being pumped in from all these massive companies. Like again, um, Nike got a metaverse coming. Adidas got a metaverse. Disney got a metaverse. Can you think of how big that's going to be? The Disney metaverse with Marvel, all the Marvel aspects of that, the MCU aspects, the NFTs that you can get from the. It's going to be humongous. So,
Music too is a big one, man. I don't know how to do it just yet, but I know a lot of musicians are going to become more independent
oh
through
yeah,
through the music platform, music streaming with the NFTs. So I got to figure out how to invest in that shit. Maybe there's a coin that does it, or token or whatever that does it already.
yeah, no. That's a great idea. That's a great
Sure.
idea. That's a great idea. Yeah, because yeah, man, like again, like they were saying only like 4 or 5% of Americans, and then Black Americans, we're at the very bottom of this. So we definitely it's so much room for investment, and that's what I was saying. If right now the market cap of some of them coins are so high, and it's only 4%, imagine when 25% of Americans start using that. That's what I'm saying. The term of market cap is gonna get flipped around because it's gonna have to go up because when more people use it, by default, the market, so that's what I'm saying now.
Now
As
you
we
see what I'm saying.
know, yeah,
Mhm.
so it's gonna be so much more money out there to get, so much more coins, and like now these coins now, I'm actually thinking it's gonna pull back. Like we got about 5% more movement of retracement back for it stables. The market, finally stabilizes, then it goes back up for the after the holidays, and that's when it gets parabolic, and that's when this gets stupid. So now it's the buying some more, you know, buying more, holding, average down your positions. Don't freak out. This where the term diamond hands come from. Weak hands and diamond hands. Learn the meanings of that.
That's a fact. Oh shit, man.
Yeah, people. So yeah, yeah, just keep it up on the coins. Don't sell your positions. Buying more if you can afford it. Going in for some cheaper coins because now, like I was saying, wax coin. That's a good coin. 89 cent before the pullback happened. Then wax down like 66 cent.
Yeah, that's the time for that research.
Yeah, yeah. Crow coin. Crow coin's up at like 89 cent. I know that retraced back something serious too.
Oh, it is. Oh,
That's
I'm about to replace
crypto.com
it.
coin. Crow coin.
I thought it was up 89 cents right now. I was like,
No,
oh, okay.
no. I mean, at one point, and then it retraced. So now's the time to get all them coins for discount. People is like going in the
Yeah,
radio.
it's down. It's down 11%. Yeah, it's bloody murder right here right now.
Yeah, I'm telling my age is like going in the Radio Shack. Do they even got Radio Shacks anymore?
Nah,
See, I used to love Radio Shack as a kid. Going to Radio Shack, everything's on sale. That's what this is like. You going to Radio Shack, 20% off of that, 30% off of that, 40% off of that. That's what this basically is. So
damn, the Central Land down 16%.
yeah, I know. Yo, Mona's almost down like three. It's like Mana and Engine. That's why I'm listening. I'm getting more. I'm getting that as we get more sandbox. Man, listen. I
Yeah,
hope it fall again for the next week or two, which
I
is
don't. I
probably
don't.
is.
I don't.
Yeah, it
Fall too
probably
much.
is. Mhm.
We don't want to fall too much. Jeez. I like to see greens and blues. You did. I'm still holding. I'm just saying. I like to see greens and blues. Yeah, that's terrible, bro. Yeah, so I would look for the ones with the greatest retracement. When they're up like 10 to 15%, 20%. Like Gala. Gala's down 20%. It's back down to 47 cents. That might be a
That's
good that might be a great buy right there. Right? Doing the analysis on it, the little technicals on it. It's just a really standard flag pattern, so it look like a good buy, dog.
yeah, yeah, got yeah.
It's
Listen,
up it's up 450% in 30 days. So it's just retracing 26%, so that's barely even a third, barely even a percentage of it, you know what I mean? Barely even 1%. So
yeah, no, I'm all for that. Yeah, man. So
not even 10%, excuse me.
yeah, people, we about to sign up on out of here. This is Friday night finances. It's gonna be a new thing Friday night.
You gotta hurt your chips. I'm a pork drinking.
Yes. So yeah. So on that note, man, just think about Bitcoin. Think about the market gonna stabilize around 53K. Maybe 49.5 though. If the 53K line don't stick, try think about 49.5, somewhere around there. But we got some support coming up. So hold your positions, don't sell. And on that note, people, we'll see y'all later. Oh shit! Oh, I'm still here.